Uh-huh. Y'all ain't ready for this.
Let's go.
Yeah. Listen. Check it. Let these bars give you an introduction. Tracy's sweet touch production. When she touch it, hey, baby, you gonna love it. And I'ma spit this verse and give you a summary of it. Jewelry so sparkling, she touched it. Craft so dope, she touched it. Cakes, tasty cause she touched it. Abracadabra rest, oof, the seller fabulous. Make no mistake, craft arts and cakes. She creates and creates and ships from the Great Lakes state. Set a spark, contact her today. Passionately intrigued, our love is on this way. Hey, I know what it is.
Passionately intrigued.
That's right.
She's a sweet touch.
Good afternoon. Hello, and how's everyone doing? Thank you for stopping by Passionately Intrigued Art Shop, where Tracy brings you gifts for all occasions, ages, and genders, along with interior and exterior decor accent pieces. I have finally totally completed my first set of double six dominoes in the King Things collection cigar band series. I decided to use the white enamel paint for the dots and lines. I have also created the perfect box to store the dominoes in, when they're not in use. And what I did was I lined the interior, the bottom of the box, with a piece of felt so that, you have a softness when you place your dominoes in. So let me just give you a close-up of the dots and the lines in the white. And they turned out really, really, really nice. And let's see how we place these in here. I believe this is how I stacked them. Don't quite remember, but we're going to see. I think I did them all. Did I do them this way or did I lay them down? I don't know, but they all do fit. I don't remember how I did it. I don't think I had them sitting up this way. I think I had them like this. Let's just see. I guess there's a couple ways you can stack them in here. I think I did have them laying down. We'll see. If not, we'll stack them all up. Let's just put some more here. See how I did this. Not sure. I think I had the front one stacked up, if I'm not mistaken. We're gonna make it work. Oh yeah, then I had 3 more, and there was 1 more that I just had to put on top. That's what I did, I do believe. Like so. And then we just put this one here. You have a little room, close the box. It snaps like that. Put a little image here that I got off the internet of just a collage of cigar bands, lined it with a little gold, and it's the perfect fit. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't.
Let's go.
Yeah. Listen. Let these bars give you an introduction. Tracy, sweet touch production. When she touch it, baby, you gonna love it. And I'ma spit this verse and give you a summary of it. Jewelry so sparkling, she touched it. Craft so dope, she touched it. Cakes, tasty cause she touched it. Abracadabra rest, oof, and seller fabulous. Make no mistake, craft arts and cakes. She creates and creates and ships from the Great Lakes state. set a spark. Contact her today. Passionately treat art lovers on the way.